The following Zoom session is being recorded and will appear later today on my YouTube channel, Math with Mayo. Therefore, when you participate in the Zoom meeting, if you do not wish for your picture or your name to be made public, please leave the video off and use an alias name. If you have questions during the meeting but do not wish to speak, email me at bmayo@ybcc.edu and I'll respond as soon as I can. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to apologize for messing up the schedule. Last week on, what was it, Thursday, I covered section 2.3, part 1 and part 2, covered it all in one day. I keep telling everybody to look at the schedule, but apparently I didn't look at it very well myself. So consequently, I got a day ahead of the schedule. And so to get it back to normal, I'm not going to go any further today. Today should have been 2.4 part 1, which I actually did on Friday. Hopefully you're not too confused by all of this. So basically what I'm going to do today is just answer any questions that you have up to this point, and then we'll call it a day. No new section. Tomorrow we'll get back on schedule. So having said all of that, do any of you have any questions you would like me to go over?
No, as of right now, it's pretty simple for me.
Okay. Anybody else who's here? Any questions from any of the things?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm still having trouble when it comes to converting fractions to decimals.
Oh, okay. Let's take a look at that. So converting fractions into decimals. Okay. And of course, you can use a calculator, but I'm assuming you mean by hand, right?
Right.
Okay. So let's say we have 4/9, okay? And we want to convert that into a decimal. Basically what we do is we use long division. We take the numerator divided by the denominator, 4 divided by 9. And we put the decimal point from the implied numerator, the one inside, straight up above. 9 doesn't go into 4, so that's a 0. So then we have to move over one place. 9 goes into 40. Let's see, 9 times 4 is 36. And we have a remainder of a 4. 9 doesn't go into 4, so we add a 0 and bring it down. 9 times 4 is 36. We add a 0 and bring it down. What's happening here? We're getting a repeating situation. So basically here, the answer would be 0.4 with a repeating bar over the decimal. Now, in WebAssign, you wouldn't use this answer, you would use the fraction answer. But let's look at some other fractions. Let's say we've got 7/8, okay? So 7 divided by 8, there's an implied decimal point to the right of the 7, we bring it straight up. 8 doesn't go into 7. 8 does go into 70, so we add a 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. 8 doesn't go into 6, so we keep adding a 0. 8 times what? 8 times 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. 8 doesn't go into 4, so we add a 0. 8 times 5 is 40, so we come out with 0 remainder. So 7/8 would be the decimal, 0.875. You okay with that one?
Yes.
You want some more or are you good?
No, I think I got it. Thank
Okay,
you.
you bet. Any other questions? Anybody? Okay, well, this will be the shortest video this year or whatever. So you can play catch up with Mayo now or something like that. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow and we'll continue on with section 2.4 part 2 per the schedule that I was supposed to follow. I will be back at 1:15 with an office hour should you have need of me. Anyway, have a great day. And as soon as I can find the mouse, I'll stop the recording.